tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the rock, paper, scissors game using Python. So I will show you how the game works. So enter a choice, rock, paper, or scissors. So I will choose rock, and the computer chose paper, so I lost. I will choose paper now. Oh, sorry. Paper, the computer chose scissors, so I lost. I will choose rock. And then computer chose scissors, then I win. Okay, so I will show you from the start how to design this game, how to code it, and the possible ways of winning this game is rock and a rock is a tie, paper and a paper is a tie, scissors and scissors is a tie. So if I choose a rock, the computer chooses a paper, then the computer wins, and the rest. So to put these into the code, we need to use the if statement. So what we do, I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm using Jupyter Notebook. You could use PyCharm, IntelliJ, or VS Code, whatever you want to use. I'm just using Jupyter Notebook because it seems easier for me. I'm used to using it. So the first thing we want to do is to import the random library. Then what we want to say is we want to allow the user to choose one of the options, which is rock, paper, or scissors. So we do user equals to input, and we give a message to the user. So enter a choice, either rock, paper, or scissors. Then what we want to do, we want to give it the possible answers, the possible choices, sorry, which are okay, so rock, paper, these are the possible choices the user can choose, and also the computer later on. Sorry. Okay, so then we want to tell the computer to randomly choose one of these possible answers, which are rock, paper, or scissors. But once they do, we want to do a print statement. So we do say you chose. You chose whatever the user chose, and the computer chose whatever the computer chooses. Okay, so this is the first bit. So now we need to use the if statement to put all the possible combinations into the code. So one of the first ones we're going to do is if the user's choice equals to the computer, then print both players selected, let's say the user choice, then it's a tie. We don't just say it's a tie. Okay, so else if user equals to say rock, then if computer equals to scissors, then we wanted to have a print statement saying rock smashes scissors, so then you win. Else we wanted to print say paper covers rock, so then you lose. Okay, so now we need to go to the next combinations. So we use another elif. user equals to say paper this time, then if computer equals to say rock, then we wanted to print, then we wanted to print paper covers rock, you win. Okay. Oh, you win, indentation, you win. Or else you wanted to print scissors cuts paper. Okay, then you lose. So if you pick paper and the computer chooses scissors, then you lose. Then what we want to do, we want to add the last elif statement. So if the user equals to, let's say, the last one, which is scissors now, then if the computer chooses, say, paper, then we want it to print scissors cuts paper. Okay, then you win. Or else you wanted to print rock smashes scissors, then you lose. Okay, so let's test this now. So on Jupyter Notebook, you press Shift and Enter, you run the code. So now it's asking me to enter a choice. So this is coming from here. So what we do, we choose, let's just say we choose rock. The computer chose scissors, so I win. Nice. Let's say I pick paper this time. The computer chose scissors, then I lose. I choose paper again. Computer chose scissors, I choose paper again. Computer chose rock, then I win. Okay. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and you have learned how to code the game. Please do follow me and also like the video. I will be releasing more videos to teach Python, games or projects which are for people who are trying to get into Python. Thank you, guys.